Hello everyone, welcome back to Sudhir tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn a very important OOPS topic, that is inheritance in Java. So let's begin. First of all, what is inheritance? So it is a mechanism where one class inherits properties and behaviors or methods from another class. So for example, if there is someone's father, A and there is a boy named B. If A is his father, if A is B's father, then there are some chances that this B will inherit some properties from his father. For example, if the father is having blue eyes, then there are some chances that the boy will also get blue eyes. This is called inheritance, right? So in Java also there is inheritance where one class inherits some properties of another class, that is called inheritance in Java. So let's discuss about the syntax of inheritance. So Java uses extend keyword to implement inheritance. For example, if there is a class named parent and there is another class named child, so if we want to inherit this parent class in this child class, we will use this extend keyword. Okay, so this, what is this extend keyword is doing here? This is just inheriting the methods of this parent class in the child class. I hope it is clear to you people. So this parent class is inherited by this child class. This is the syntax of this inheritance. Now there are different types of inheritance which we use in Java. So let's discuss about it also. Basically there are 5 kind of inheritance in Java, and among these 5 type of inheritance we generally use 3 type because other 2 cannot be directly used in Java. There are other methods to use those in Java. So first of all we have single inheritance. Now what is happening in this single inheritance? There one child inherits only one parent. Okay, one child inherits one parent. For example, if there is a class A and class B, then this class B will inherit from class A. Okay, this is single inheritance. We will be discussing with the help of code also, so no need to worry. If you are confused or you are not getting it, just give me a minute, I will make you clear. This is a example of single inheritance, that if there is a parent, okay, this is a parent class and this child class is inside this parent class, so obviously this child class will inherit all the methods of this parent class. Let's discuss this using a code. So this is the code for single inheritance. Here we are making a class named animal. Here we have a class named animal and we are making a method named eat, and this eat function is printing eating. And we have another class, that is dog class, and this dog class is inheriting the property of this animal class. That's why we are using this keyword, extend keyword, right? So this dog class is inheriting methods from this animal class, and there is another function in this dog class. There is another function, that is bark. So this bark function is doing what? This bark method is printing barking. Okay, now we are writing the main class. So what is happening in this main class? We have made an object of this dog class. Actually dog was the child class, right? Here dog is child class and animal was parent class. Right, so we have made the object of the dog class here, right? And we are calling eat function from this dog class. Now the thing is to be observed. we are making, we have made object of dog class, right? We have created object of this dog class, but we are calling the method of, we are calling the method of this animal class, that is eat. Eat method is in animal class and we are calling it in dog class. You can see here, right? D dot eat. What does it mean? That D is calling, like I mean this object D is calling the function of this animal class. So we have inherited the parent class in child class. So this will what it is going to print? If we are calling the function of method of animal class, so it will print what? It is going to print eating. It is going to print eating. Now another thing is, we are calling the bark method. Object D is calling bark method. Now what will happen? The bark function was inside the child class, that was dog class. So it will print barking. So our outputs will be, first of all it will be eating, and second will be barking. This is going to be our output. Let me show you this. Let me show this code in a compiler. I am going to run it in a compiler. Just give me a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Actually I need to copy this code, or if I will write the whole code then it will take a lot of time. That's why I am going to copy it from here, and for copying it I need to remove the written part, otherwise it will copy this one also. Okay, so now I can copy. From here I can copy it. Okay, I have copied. Now I am going to a compiler. This is our compiler. Here I will compile my code, and right. Okay, so now I need to compile it. Here I will compile and run. Now you can see the output. It is eating and barking as told by me, right? So this is how inheritance is working in Java. I hope it is clear to you people. Now we have another example, other type, and that is multi-level inheritance. So what is multi-level inheritance? Let's discuss this one also, this type also. In multi-level inheritance, class inherits from a class which inherits from another class. What does it mean? It is quite like complex, na? So I am going to make it a very easy one. Suppose we have a grandparent class. We have this grandparent class, and we have another class, that is parent class, and we have child class. So basically we have three classes. One is grandparent, okay, grandparent class, other is parent class, and the last is child class. So we have these three classes. So in this, what is going to happen? this parent class will inherit properties from grandparent class, and this child class will inherit properties from parent class. This is called multi-level inheritance in Java. Okay, for example, if there are three classes, that is A, B and C, so what is going to happen? This B will inherit methods and properties from class A, and this C will inherit properties and methods from the class B. This is called multi-level inheritance. I hope it is very clear to you people from the diagram as well, this flow chart. Okay, now let's discuss this using code. Okay, I am giving you example of multi-level inheritance using a code which will make you very clear with this topic. Just give me a minute. First of all, I will copy it because I will have to show you the output after compiling this code, and if I will copy it after explaining it, that it will create some problem, like I will have to erase all the written part. So okay, we are going to discuss the code. We have animal class, right, and there is a method that is printing eating. Now we have another class, that is dog class. Okay, and this dog class has a method that is printing barking, right, and this dog class in inheriting the properties, not properties, it is inheriting class animal. This dog class is inheriting animal class. Okay, now we have the third class, that is class puppy. This puppy class is inheriting the dog class, right. Here I am writing, first we have animal class, another we have dog class, and last we have puppy class. So what is happening? This dog is inheriting the animal method or properties, or this puppy is inheriting dog class, right. Now we are going to write the main class. One more thing, this dog class has a method that is weep, so it is printing weeping, right. Now we are going to write main class. In this main class we are making the object of puppy class. So for puppy class we have made the object P, and this P is calling what? Eat, bark and weep. As you know that this eat method was written in which class? Let me show you. Here I am writing, this animal had the method which was printing eating, and this dog was printing what? Barking, and this puppy was printing what? The weeping, right. Now as we have made, let me take it down. Oh, it cannot be taken back. Yes, so I am just taking it. Leave it. So what is happening here? We have made the object of this puppy class, that is P, and it is calling the eat method, right. So when it will call the eat method, what it will going to print? It will print eating. Now this P method is calling bark method, so it will print barking. And the third thing, it is calling the weep method, so it will print weeping. So our outputs will be eating, barking and weeping. These are our outputs. So let's compile this code and check the input. Okay, so this is our class, this is our code from multi-level inheritance. Let me compile it. Okay, see, check the output. It is printing eating, barking and weeping. I hope it is clear to you people. but actually I have not showed you people the compilation है ना. I have not shared the. Okay, just a minute, I am doing it again. Actually I have not shared compiler screen with you people, right? Actually I need to share it, this one out. Okay, no problem. So this is our compiler. I have copied my multi-level inheritance code to this compiler, and here is our output. This is our code, right? And let me compile it, and after compiling we'll get the results over there, and the result is eating, barking and weeping. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you people. As I have not showed you the previous one, right? Previous code was not showed by you. Actually I have not paid attention that my screen is shared to you people or not. So just give me a minute, I am copying the other code that was single inheritance. So let me copy that code also, and I am showing you the output of that code also. Actually I am also a man and mistakes happen. Okay, so this is the code of single inheritance. Okay, and let me compile it. So as I told you that it will give the output eating and barking, so it is giving that, right? I hope both the type of inheritance are clear to you people. Now I am going to discuss about the third kind of inheritance, but before that I need to change my screen, right? Okay, so here are our notes. Now after multi-level inheritance we have hierarchical inheritance. So what is happening in this kind of inheritance? Let's discuss. So here you can read the definition. Multiple child classes inherit from one parent. Okay, what is happening? Multiple child classes inherit from one parent, that is called hierarchical inheritance. Now discuss it with the help of some examples or some diagrams. So I am going to take you there. Here you have single parent class, right? You have only one parent class and there are three child classes. Okay, there are three child class: child 1 class, child 2 class, child 3 class, right? There is one parent class like this. There is a parent class and this parent has three child: C1, C2 and C3. So all these three childs will inherit properties from the parent class, that is hierarchical inheritance. Okay, nothing else. This is very simple. Okay, in simple words, if there is a parent and they have, that parent have two childs, child 1 and child 2, one boy one girl. So boy and girl both will inherit property from his parent. Okay, that is hierarchical inheritance. Okay, it is not like na ki only one child will inherit property from parent. No, both the child will inherit properties from parent. So let's discuss a code of hierarchical inheritance, and it is also very easy. There is a class animal. We have animal class, right? We have an animal class and it is having a method sound, and this is printing animal sound, right? Now we have another class, that is dog class, which is extending animal class, and this dog class is a child class. So this animal is having a class dog. Okay, now we have the another class, that is cat class, and this cat class is inheriting property from animal. So this is cat class. After this we have only two classes, okay, and two child classes. So this dog is also a child class, right? this is also a child class, and this cat is also a child class, but this animal class is a parent class. Okay, so what is going to happen? This these two child classes will inherit properties from animal class. Actually, I have made the wrong arrow. It should be like this, na? Okay, I am erasing it. Just a minute. Uh, just a minute. Just a minute. Let me make a right arrow. Otherwise, the people might get confused, na? Okay, so this dog class will inherit property from animal class, and this child will also inherit property from animal class, right? So animal class was having a method named sound, and it was printing animal sound. This dog class has method bark, and it is printing dog barks, and this class cat is having method named mew, and it is printing cat mews, right? Now we go to main class, and let's see what happens in this main class. So here is our main class. This is our main class, and here we are creating a object of class dog and class cat. Okay, we have made a object of dog class, that is D, and we have made a object of class C, that is class cat, that is C. Okay, and here in this object of dog D and dog class is calling the method from calling the method sound and bark. These two methods are called by this object of class D, class dog, right? So what is it is going to print? It will print first of all animal sound, and second it is going to print this bark function method will create print dog barks, dog barks. Okay, these are for this D object. Now for C object, this cat class is calling this sound method and mew method. So this sound is going to print what? Animal sound, and this mew is going to print cat mews, cat mews, right? So our final output will be animal sound dog bark and animal sound cat mews. Okay, let us check the output in compiler also, right? And for that I need to copy it, but as it was not copied by me before starting this, so what I need to do, I need to copy it, but still I should check it now. Actually it is closed by me. Just a minute. So here is our inheritance, right? And we were discussing this one. So what we need to do now? Just a minute. Actually I need to copy it. Okay, so I have copied the hierarchical class code. This code is copied by me. Now I will show you this code in the compiler, and I hope compiler is visible to you people, right? So here is the code from hierarchical class, right? You can see this is class animal and there is a method sound and it is printing animal sound, and there is class dog that is inheriting class animal and it is printing what? Dog barks. We have another class that is cat and it is inheriting animal class and it is printing cat meows. Now we have created object that is for dog class we have created object D, for cat class we have created object C. Now this dog class is calling the method sound and bark. So this sound will print what? Dog animal sound, and bark will print dog barks. And this C class is calling sound and mew method, so it will print animal sound and cat mews. So let's check the output or see the object, not object, output. So here is our output. I hope you people can check it and it is visible to you people, as I have already shared the compiler screen to you people. So it is animal sound dog barks, animal sound cat mews. That's it. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you people. But still, if you have any doubt, you can tell me. I will make it clear. That's how inheritance works in Java, right? So that's enough for today's class. We'll discuss other two types in our next class. For until that, bye bye, tata. And if you people have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment box. I will explain it in the comment box also, and I will try my best to make you clear with the concept. Thank you so much.